as you can see, recoated a bunch of this stuff, sanded everything down, went through, hit it with a bunch of steel, just cleaned it up. All this stuff's supposed to be coming back off of the truck, so we're not going to spend too much time trying to make it too pretty back here. Hit the rust spots on the back of the frame just to cover them up. Hit the shackle or rear hangers, not shackles, sorry. Hit the rear hangers with some steel as well. A couple spots where the bump stop's attached to. Again, just trying to kind of clean it up a little bit. We're later on going to go through and C-notch the frame and get into all that when we do the spring under conversion and the big Curry rear end in it. So
fresh paint, dude. Fresh paint on the P-boy.
Oh, dude, don't scratch it.
Well, it's kind of fireball-y. It's like a fruitier version of Fireball. Yep. So you can
hold your nut.
Hold your nut.
Because
we're installing it blind, because inside the frame here, you're putting the wrench through this hole, and then you're installing this nut and bolt over here. So to be able to hold it in there without it falling out and then struggling.
I'll let him do that. He's really good at taping nuts back.
Yeah, taping my nuts back. At least I'm not tucking anything though.
Just clean the rest off then, and I'll just get hardware. I didn't realize that was that bad, because that other bolt is not corroded at all. That thing's smoked.
Use safety glasses when running a wire brush. You say that. I never actually do it, but you should.
Gotta at least have your squints on.
Oh, you always run squints in the garage. You get those reflexes built up.
Squintomatics. Pick up these big boats.
You want to do... I mean, we could probably wheel this thing over there, flip it.
Well, that's yours, so that just needs to go straight that way. This one.
Yep.
So, pick up your end.
You can rotate it first if you want to up here. This is the side we got to tighten, dude. Don't ruin my fresh paint.
You want me to drop this side in first?
Yeah, go for it. Because then I can just set this on the floor. Good?
Yep.
It's that sick-ass paint job we did.
Leaf bolts at? Where do we put those?
Dude, what do you mean, where do we put those? I left mine inside the leaf.
You do that?
Well, where are yours?
What about your front one?
It's probably in the frame.
Why would you do that?
Where are yours?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Exactly. That's exactly why I do that.
Mine are right here. I found them already.
Oh, I never lost mine.
Stuff's not cheap.
Dude, I think your shackle's tightened a little different at an angle than mine is.
The angle of the dangle, brother.
The dangle angles are different. Don't show them, dude.
Don't look at this rust spot that we missed.
Get the Sharpie, dude.
Where's it at?
Get the Sharpie. This is the pro tip right here. We missed the whole... We should have pulled the shackles off.
100% we should have.
Yep, I knew that. But I was
well, they're also getting changed, so watch these go like this. Would touch that paint. That was great, man.
Yep, now you got to get the camera back about 10 more feet and we're good. Nobody will know once the bed's on.
Look at that. Brand new, you guys. We didn't use Sharpie to do that. I think I'll have my side up before you even get that thing under.
Okay, so all the ones that we carry are all special orders. The length I'm getting is 7 3/8 and 9.5 inches long.
Okay. Do you have a part number for them?
Yes, let me know when you're ready. I can give you the first one.
Go for it.
929-802. That's it.
Okay. That was the only one.
The other one,
Oh, you got more than one. Okay, go ahead.
the other one is U as in Uranus, A as in Apple, 167, S as in Sam.
Got it. 825 First Street.
Okay, well, let's
Is
go.
that a good one?
I mean, I think it's the only one. We're gonna go get in the zone.
Andy's AutoZone.
Andy's Auto Zone. We're gonna go. Kalum found 2 U-bolts just so we can throw the diff in to mock it up. I'm gonna still order some new ones anyways. But it says they have 2. We have 2 that aren't all galled up, so we're gonna go see if they are the right length. We should actually just bring one with us.
That would be advised.
And then set it next to it, see if it is actually the right length, or we just buy it for $25 and get here and later and realize that it doesn't fit and not return it.
How's it going? We called about some U-bolts. We're filming here.
Can you bring those forward and we can take a peek? Oh, those say 2 3/4 though. Hopefully they got the right ones. If you take a peek here in the picture, they're showing round U-bolts and we need square ones to go over the top of the leaf springs. What do we got here? Not gonna happen. Nuts out of the way. There's some nuts in the way here.
Yeah. Should we go check anybody? You know anybody else that would have a better selection around here?
I don't think so. Not at this hour.
Hi, do you guys sell auto parts? No, you don't? Okay. Sorry about that. It's all good. Bye. Forrest is distracted. We're snacking now.
Dude, Mexican candy, I love that. Oh, dude.
What'd you do? You dropping?
I'm fucking
You're not plugging.
dangling, dude. I was hanging to the right. I was off this direction. I was off to the passenger side, as Kalum would say.